brand is set to make a bold statement this summer with the revival of its prestigious BIN23 Premio series, highlighted by the upcoming Air Jordan 3 BIN23. Following the earlier release of the Air Jordan 6, this new installment continues the line's legacy of exclusivity and luxury. Limited to only 2,300 individually numbered pairs, the Air Jordan 3 BIN23 will retail for $350 and is expected to release on June 13, 2026, date subject to change. The design features a rich blend of team red, burgundy crush, coconut milk, and metallic gold tones. Mock-ups hint at a premium mix of leather, nubuck, and suede, with striking details like gilded eyelets, a gold-painted heel clip, and a coconut milk midsole. Adding to its exclusivity is the iconic wax BIN23 stamp on the tongue. The release has been confirmed by SneakerHead and Sneaker Files. More images and updates are expected soon.